Morning guys, we're going to do some concreting in here today. Another crap day. It's raining a bit, but I think it'll dry up. We've got concrete coming at 1 o'clock and we've had to hire dumper again as well to get it all round here. So we've got dumper coming. That's supposed to be coming at 11 till 12. Concrete's supposed to be coming at 1 o'clock. So hopefully the dumper gets here before the concrete. Well, it's got to get here before concrete, otherwise we're stuffed. Because we need to get it round wettish. I can't. When we did foundations, I just got it dry and wet it up when we put it in. But it's not going to work like this today. We need it wet so we can flatten it out. But I think this rain might hold off. It's just drizzle at the minute. But it just says cloudy today. It didn't even say out about rain, so we'll see. Right, so this is, we haven't whacked this yet. We got a little stone in the other day. We're gonna have to whack it, put some sand on top, whack that, visqueen, Kingspan, and then visqueen again. And what we'll do is I've put a tray in here, and we'll just lap. That's the finished floor right there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put visqueen under there and up. And then we'll lap that over like that. That's the idea. Right. Let's see if we can get something done in this rain, eh?
I don't think it's going in.
Right, I ain't got enough visqueen, so my mate's going to whack it. I'm going to have to nip out for another roll of visqueen. Used nearly 2 rolls on that one we did the other day. So they ain't enough for this, so I'm going to have to go pick yet another roll up.
Well, as you can see, the fuel's just run out. So we'll top it up and go again.
I need a new knife blade on here, Jesus. Right, I'll spread this out then, eh? That way, yeah. Right, we can pull it this way a bit, but look of it too. We can pull it this way a bit. Is that 2 or not? Is that just 1 thick or what? Yeah. I know, it nearly does it, doesn't it? But probably just cut one in half and then that'll go on next layer then, won't it? Just want enough so it'll so it tucks under here. I'll kick it in. There you go. Huh? Oh yeah, to you. Yeah. Go on then. No, I'll get off it. You creased at your end, look. See that big line's pretty flat. Looks like you need to pull that back edge there, Tim.
You are?
Pull that back edge that way a bit.
Oh, yeah, it's just slightly on pushing it.
Yeah. We'll lift this up. Lift this up, Tim. That's how I want it. Someone's left a load of shit on the blocks. Right, we just need a bloody piece for that now. But what we'll do is we'll roll it out, then we'll half it, and we should have enough for that to do another roll on top then. We've got all that in, put all the cuts in, put a bit of tape on, and viscoing again now. Yeah, looks alright to me. Should be able to move that about. Yeah. Seems alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'll leave it like that and then lock something all the time. Want to put a sheet down?
Yeah, I'll grab a sheet. So we should be 100 mil, or a bit more, hopefully. What are we? There we go, look. So we know we've got enough. We had to take it a little bit higher, look, because we're just short, 20 mil short. So I've just raised that, and because I'm not done that yet, and this is going to come off and there's going to be a bed under it. It don't really matter about it being a little high, but I'd rather do another 20 mil higher and get it all 100 mil 4 inch than drop it down to 80. So now we know we're good. So that's it, another concreting job out of the way, so we can crack on. We've got blocks and that coming tomorrow. This might be a bit soft. We're going to take all the wood that we had for that other concreting job, cut that up into boards for the scaffold, and bring us other scaffold round. So we'll probably continue around on these on this stone, get it all up to interlight, and then we'll take blocks up a day or two after when this has gone off and we can stand on it. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.